see how the bolognese is looking really lovely with the cheese melting off of it and the spaghetti. Everything is just really nice. So as I say, we have a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. Please visit my website chefricardo.co.uk and leave a nice brief comments with the 10 minutes cooking. Lovely recipe, so enjoy. Nice today. One. Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. 10 minutes cooking. Why? I got some water on my stove right here with a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt inside of it. If you don't like salt, you don't need to add it. I'm gonna cook some spaghetti inside of this. Right over here, I'm gonna make you some bolognese. So spaghetti bolognese and cheese. 10 minutes. Let's get started. Right over here, I got my frying pan already warm. Simple. A little bit of olive oil inside of the frying pan. I'm already have some garlic cut up already. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it. Start to fry instantly because my pot is already hot. Then the second thing, what I'm gonna simply do next, I'm gonna get my onion, saute the garlic just a little bit, not to get your meat straight inside of it. I'm using 1 kilo of bolognese meat. Nice, beautiful British bolognese meat I'm using. This one, you can get it from any local supermarket or local shop. Next, now we're gonna cut some onion. In the meantime, I'm using 2 small medium-sized white onion. Sorry guys, 2 white medium-sized onion. And I'm gonna use roughly 2 stalks of spring onion. I'm already put 3 cloves of garlic inside of the pot. I'm just gonna simply cut up the one, burn off the meat roughly for a nice 10 minutes inside of the frying pan. Get that beautiful flavor in the garlic, the thyme, the spring onion. Burning off the meat right here. Over here is the pot for your spaghetti. Simple, I'm gonna use 1 pack of spaghetti and break it up very small. So I'm gonna put it straight inside of it, just like this. So just look at that, really nice and beautiful. So I just break it up a little bit small for you guys to see what's going on. And this is right here cooking. As you can see, I'm burning off the meat. I'm just gonna put some seasoning inside of it. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning inside of it. Nice one. I'm gonna put some paprika, a teaspoon of paprika also inside of it, just to give it a little flavor inside of it. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of everyday seasoning inside of it also. 1 spoon of everyday seasoning. Then we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of meat seasoning also inside of it. As you can see, the flavor is really nice. And I'm gonna put a pinch of grounded pepper inside of it. Nice one. And then next we're gonna put you some nice lovely garlic powder, a spoon of the garlic powder also inside of it. Give it a nice little flavor. I know you guys are gonna love this one. And a pinch of hot pepper sauce inside of it. Just a little pinch inside of it. And as you remember, I got that video on YouTube telling you about pepper. Pinch of coarse pepper. Give it another stir. The reason why I didn't put any salt inside of it, because this season come with a lot of salt, so I didn't put any salt inside of it. I'm gonna taste before I put salt. In the meantime, this is browning out or cooking a little bit more. Use this clip and work the spaghetti away that's they're not itching to one another. As you can see, looking really good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna chuck a bottle of bolognese sauce inside of it, just like this. The bolognese sauce, you can get it at any local supermarket or local shop. Next time I will show you how to make your own sauce. Then give it a nice little stir. Beautiful and nice, look at that. Then leave this for another 5 more minutes, make it cook and simmer down. Look at that, really nice. Nice and beautiful. So let's leave this for another 5 more minutes, make it cook I'm gonna turn off my stove. The bolognese is all good, done, ready, dusted. 10 minutes cooking. Spaghetti is also ready. And now what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna share it out so you guys can see how it look on the plate. So enjoy the recipe, really lovely, nice. You can see the cheese on top of it and the bolognese spaghetti, beautiful bolognese recipe. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And this is just a 10 minutes cooking for work 9 to 5. Coming home, you know, you have to deal with the kids, you know, you have a lot of paperwork, you're having a stress day at work. So this recipe is just come home, bang, that's it, get it ready, done, dusted, eat and finish up what you gotta finish up. Let's enjoy the recipe, and as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming out for you. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also please leave a comments. So see you in my next video.